Hello everyone, Tom from everystepcalculus.com, everystepphysics.com. I'm going to do a u-substitution problem, basically a simple one, but nothing simple in calculus unless you know what you're doing. And it certainly helps to have a photographic memory. But this problem was sent to me by a student, so I'm going to do it on a video and show him how to do it and show you how to do it. Okay, index 8 to get to my menu. I'm at u-substitution. You'd scroll down to it there, choose that. We're going to enter the function alpha before you enter anything into here. Alpha, left parentheses, 6 times x minus 5, close off the parentheses, to the 4th power. So here's what we have. I say it's okay. So let's talk about a little bit about u-substitution. You should do derivatives in your head within 1 second. What's the derivative of this function in here? It's 6. There's no x, there's nothing. It's just 6, okay? And you have dx on the outside, okay? So there's no x or nothing else on the outside except dx. So that's what you choose for u. So u is 6x minus 5. The derivative is 6 dx. Anytime you see a constant on here, this is the trick that always screwed me up in school. You need to take this out of this side and isolate the dx. Okay, because remember the dx is by itself on the function, and now this dx needs to be by itself like here. So you divide both sides by 6 through algebra, and you can du divided by 6 equals dx. It invariably happens like this, so don't think it doesn't. Almost every problem you do in u-substitution, you're going to take the constant from this side and put it over on this side, okay? So now u equals 6x minus 5. Therefore, the integral of u to the 4th, which is a function, u to the 4th, times du divided by 6. Now, here's that du we just did, du divided by 6. Now, in integration, the constants always have to come out of the integration. So you have to take 1/6 out, which I do here. Here's 1/6 out of the integral, and here now we got the u to 4 left by itself, and the du is now by itself, okay? So now we got 1/6 times u, and now we do the derivative of the integral, and we got u to the 5 divided by 5, okay? So now this constant has to come out of here too. So we have 1/6 times 1/5 times u to the 5 and plus c. Well, 1/6 times 1/5 is 1/30th times 6, and then we substitute back in for u, 6x minus 5 to the 5th power plus c. Every u-substitution is done in this system. And if you learn the system, you're going to be alive. But the main thing is to be able to do derivatives in your head in 1 second, in your sleep. Derivative of this right here is 6. And you need to look and see whether you can match something on the outside, or etc. for u-substitution. It's all tricky, though, till you do it 10,000 times. Calculus is a language. And most of the case when I was going to school, it was like learning Latin. It's like learning Spanish. I didn't know what they were talking about. So have a good one.